My channel is all about teaching you lawn care strategies that you can use to help improve the look of your lawn. So if you're a DIY lawn care beginner or expert or are looking for lawn care tips to help you improve the look of your lawn, then join me today by subscribing to our channel. What's going on, everyone? Thanks for coming back for another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to dethatch your lawn and why it's important to dethatch. Over time, little bits and pieces of grass die and gather just above the soil. This is called thatch. A little bit of thatch can be beneficial. It's organic material that is broken down by microbes in the soil, but sometimes that thatch builds up too fast for natural processes to break it down, and it forms a barrier keeping moisture and air from going where your grass needs it. A half inch or more of thatch can weaken your lawn. So the best way to deal with that is by dethatching. So if you follow me on Instagram, you'll remember about a year and a half ago in the fall, I actually completely renovated the back lawn and planted it with turf type tall fescue. Now I really like the looks of this grass as it grows in very thick and it's very resistant to heat in the summer. So before we begin dethatching, let's take a look at the back lawn and see what we're dealing with. So as you can see here, I've got a lot of this stuff going on here. A lot of thatch, big thatch buildup. Now my big concern here is that a lot of this grass might actually be dead. Now over the winter, I've had a lot of problems with what looks like mice or something digging, or chipmunks, moles, voles, whatever it is, digging holes in my lawn. So you can see you got a little bit of a hole in here. Going up in here, you got another nice burrow of a hole here. Another hole in here too. I've got a lot of these problems going on the lawn. So I'm going to take the dethatching rake and see if I can rescue any part of this lawn. Some of it's still okay, but a lot of it looks like it's going to be in rough shape. So here we have our dethatching rake. So the dethatching rake has two ends to it. The first end here, which hopefully is showing on good on camera, it's a little curved on the end here. What that's for, it's to move back the soil after you dethatch your lawn. These ends here, these are straight. These are the ends that we're going to use to dethatch our lawn and bring all this dead stuff up. So what you want to do is you want to go very lightly over the soil like this. See all that stuff coming up? That's a lot of dead grass. Now if I want to put it back down, I just run the rake down like that. Let's continue digging up all this dead stuff. Look at all that already. That is a ton of dead grass. Now that we're done dethatching the lawn, let's go see what the results look like. Check this out. All this here, dead grass, dead thatch. I pulled a ton of this stuff out, and this is just one pile in the lawn. Still got some more going on over here. And I've got a ton going on over here into the patio. So you can see over here near the edge of my lawn, I've got this going right down into the soil. And this area of the lawn here tends to flood, usually in the spring or with any type of heavy rains. So I knew I was going to have a bit of an issue going with this. This is going to be a little bit difficult to bring it back. I've got my work cut out for me to help bring this lawn back, but hopefully with a little overseeding and proper maintenance, we can make this lawn thrive by summer. Now that we have all that dethatching done, it looks like the lawn's going to be in some pretty rough shape for a while, but as I said, with some proper maintenance, hopefully we can bring this back. I'll probably end up mowing the lawn, getting it a little bit lower, and doing a second round of dethatching, probably also planting some seed as well to help get things going. So one of the other things that you can do is to actually aerate your lawn, especially if you haven't done so in a couple of years. Now I generally don't recommend aerating in the spring, but again, if you haven't done it in a couple of years and you need to give your lawn that quick start, absolutely go ahead and aerate now and put down some seed and help get things going. And that's going to improve the look of your lawn going into the summer. And then you can look at doing a more fulsome renovation in the fall season. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe so you're updated for when new videos come out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.